Welcome back to Cottage Designs by Erin, where today I finished the blue embroidered quilt blocks. I've sewn them into a twin size quilt and it is ready to go to the quilter. So I'm going to be showing you how I made the piano key border, and I'm going to talk to you about the dimensions on this quilt just in case you have two hand embroidered blocks laying around. So the hand embroidered blocks are 18 by 18 inches. I picked them up partially finished from a thrift store. In my video, Learn to Embroider Quilt Blocks, I showed you how I finished out the corners so that I could use the blocks, okay? So if you click on my videos and scroll back until you get to Learn to Embroider Quilt Blocks, and you will see those blocks there. All right, so the next thing I did is I added a border to these, making them 20 inches all the way around. After I did that, I sewed 8 inches of a beautiful fabric that I got from keepsakequilting.com. I sewed 8 inches of a print all the way around the blocks. Okay, last night I decided I was going to go ahead and try to finish this, and so I started on a piano key border. I would have left it with just the piano key border, but it wasn't wide enough, and so I had to add more to it. So I'm going to move the camera to my hands now. I took I think it's 6.5 inches. Let me double check. Yes, I took a 6.5 inch block and cut it out, okay? Then after I did that, I folded it in half and pressed it my iron kicked off. All right, then I took my scissors, and where the crease is at, I went right up the crease. That then gave me our blocks for the piano key border. Okay, and then I sewed these around the entire edge. Let me bring the camera back up. So that is how I got the piano key border. All right. My quilt finished at 49 by 73, which was not large enough to make it a twin size quilt. So the average twin is 64 by 88. So I subtracted those measurements and I needed 15 more inches all the way around. So rather than do an off number like that, I cut out 16 inches and divided it by 2, which would be 8 inches of border all the way around it, bringing it to the finished size as 64 by 88 twin. Okay, so it was fairly easy to make. I mean, if you have inherited some quilt blocks, this is a nice way to use them up. I probably could have done more with this. I initially wanted to make a blue and white sampler, and I wanted to go all out and make, you know, a dozen, I don't know, 8-inch blocks and fancy it all up. I don't have time for that. I do not have time. Okay, I have got a million different projects going on. School is not out yet, and so this seemed to be the easiest way to finish this out, but still make it pretty. So let me show you the measurements again on that, in case you want to do something similar. So we made the 18-inch embroidered blocks into 20-inch blocks, and then we started adding 8 inches around. Okay, bringing our grand total to 64 by 88 inches. So this beautiful, beautiful fabric can be purchased off www.keepsakequilting.com, and it was called Rhapsody something. It's in my other videos. You'll see it when you see these blocks. So next step is now it will go to a long arm quilter. When I get it back, I'll probably show it to you. I hope you learned something new from my video today. We learned how to make a twin size quilt from two 18-inch embroidered blocks. Please give my video a thumbs up, like and subscribe for more ideas in the future. Thank you.